Nabamanzi aphuma ezimbotsheni zomtshezi isiguqo esifulele ngamahlamba sendonda kusuka libumbene lesikhombisa ihora mbuke linazi indaba ithimba lendaba zesizulu selididiyele okwamuka ukuphakela zona ngabe ngisapholisa amaseko angihlale kuzona ithonto nazi ihamba phambili kusihla nje.
We need ukuthi Ekurhuleni must be a strong municipal district area. It is municipalities that are the engine rooms of development.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usevikele ukusetshenziswa kwezigidi zamarandi ngohlelo lwembizo kahulumeni njengoba lo hlelo belihambele eTsakane Ekurhuleni namhlanje.
We're not aware of who paid them. And until such time that those who paid them are apprehended, this matter will never be closed or should never be closed.
Iyaqhubeka inkonzo yokukhumbula uBabita Deokaran nowadutshulwa wabulawa eminyakeni emithathu edlule ngemva kokudalula ukukhokhela kwenkampani okusolisayo okwakubalelwe igidini engamakhulu ayisishiyagalombili namashumi amahlanu zamarandi emnyangweni wezempilo eGauteng.
I don't think that our league is far from the other top leagues.
I-Orlando Pirates izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo somqhudelano i-CAF Champions League njengoba izotholana phezulu neqembu laseMadagascar iDisciples FC enkundleni yase-Orlando namhlanje kusihla. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uvikele ukusetshenziswa kwezigidi zamarandi ngohlelo lwembizo kahulumeni njengoba sekukhona abashaya amakhala ngalezi imbizo bethi kuukusatshazwa kwemali yabaqoqintela. Umengameli ubebize imbizo Ekurhuleni eGauteng lapho ebephekelezelwa khona yibona bonke ongqongqoshe beminyango yombuso ilinganiselwa ku-44 million wamarandi imali ezosetshenziswa uhulumeni ukuhlela lezi imbizo ezizosingathwa ezifundazweni ezahlukene.
Baba uRamaphosa nginenkinga ngoba mangithenga igesi njoba ngiyisil mother ngizisebenzela kamlungu ngithola igesi mangithenga 50 rand ayipheli neviki thatha 2 days.
Okunye ngicelako ilangavili as a whole siyacela ukuthi kube khona ihholo kube khona istadium kube khona icustomer care ukuze singazuba nomthwalo phezukweTsekane neThema.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uchazele luhlelo lwezimbizo zikahulumeni njengethuba elihle kakhulu lokuthi uhulumeni asondele kubantu ngenhloso yokuzwela izikhalo zabo.
We need ukuthi Ekurhuleni must be a strong municipal district area. It is municipalities that are the engine rooms of development because they provide the services to our people, but they also are economic engine rooms.
Ukufatabala kwenqalazinda ayifana nololiwe Ekurhuleni ngokunye izakhamuzi zalapha esikhale kakhulu ngakho embizweni ngamengameli. Phakathi kokunye okukhalwe kakhulu udaba oluthinta ke ugesi kanjalo nezinga lobugebengu endaweni.
So besi launcha yonke le program yethu la esoma khona ndawonye subs, city police and other people abalwa necrime senzele ukuthi igebengu zibone ukuthi indawo ayisekho.
Umengameli Ramaphosa kanye nongqongqoshe becabinet baphosele inselele umkhandlu waseGruleni ngokuthi kuzofanele uphuthumise uhlelo lokulungisa kwenqalazinda yamanzi kanye nokwenza kangcono ukuphuthuniswa kohlelo lokuhlinzeka ngezidingo zomphakathi.
Abaholi beqembu EFF bazoba nomhlangano namagatsha leliqembu KwaZulu-Natal ngempela sonto lapho kuzobe kuzanywa khona ukuthi kutholakala impendulo zokuthi kungani kwehla ukwesekwa kweqembu esifundazweni ngesikhathi kusingethe ukhetho olwalungonhlaba nonyaka.
Impela sonto yakusasa izoba ngemqoka kakhulu eqenjini iEFF njengoba leli qembu lizama ukubuyisa isithunzi salo KwaZulu-Natal. Leli qembu kwalibhimbela ukhethweni lukazwe lonke njengoba ligcine selinezihlalo ezimbili esishayamthetho sesifundazwe lisuka ezihlalweni eziyisishiyagalombili. Ubuholi beqembu obuholwa ngumholi weqembu uJulius Malema kanye nonobhala jikelele uMarshall Dlamini busemkhankasweni wokuhlonza ukuthi kungani kwehlile ukwesekwa kweqembu kulesifundazwe.
KwaZulu-Natal, as you correctly put it, we lost votes. We lost close to 300,000 votes in KwaZulu-Natal. We lost seats, and those seats and votes they did hurt the organization. So it's important for leadership to come and try to find solutions.
uDlamini uthi kusukela kusasa kuze kube yisonto ubuholi beqembu buzohambela amagatsha asezifundeni eziyishumi esifundazweni.
We want to listen to our branches, we want to listen to our structures to understand what could have gone wrong. They were on the ground on a campaign, they were on the ground in villages and townships and villages. They are within the communities. So communities might have said why this time around they did not choose the EFF as a part of their choice.
Imiphumela yalezi ngxoxo ingase icabe indlela eyaphambili yokubuyisa isithunzi se-EFF KwaZulu Natal kanye nakuzwe lonke njengoba leli qembu lingelesithupha ngobukhulu ngemuva kokhetho. Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Umnyango wezamagugu ambiwayo kanye nezamandla uthi noma ngabe ezamandla kulelizwe ingakwazi ukuthi ikhiqize ngendlela enganokubeza imvelo kepha lokho angeke enhlobo kuze kube isixazululo senkinga sogesi kulelizwe. Lo mnyango uthela kuleli lisazoqhubeka nokuphila ngogesi okhiqizwa ngamalahle.
Ithi ukongezeleleka kombane kwakunceda ukukhupha elilizwe kwingxaki yocimicimi wombane. Lithi izikhululo zombane eziphehlwa ngomoya xa zizodwa soze zikwazi ukubonelela ngombane owaneleyo. Kwaye ukuba elilizwe lifuna ukufaka umbane ocucekileyo kufuneka izikhululo zamalahle zibe kwimeko entle.
If those units of coal, let's say 5 of them, are not available, they've broken down. Wind PV on their own will not be able to make up the shortfall. Sure, they will help, but they will never be able to basically restore the system to adequacy.
Likwathi ngalempela veki iyakuba zinsuku ezilikhulu ungekho ucimicimi wombane. Oku lithi kungenxa yokusebenza kakuhle kwezinye zezikhululo zamalahle.
Disability issues. But I think it's Creel started off at 39% and are now on 83% energy availability factor with a new woman power station manager. So we've decided we need to put women power station managers in on all the power stations. Clearly they're performing.
Isebe lithi isicwangciso esiquka indidi ngendidi zamandla ombane asikaphunyezwa ecabinet. Tingulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlament eKapa.
Namhlanje bekhunjulwa uBabita Deokaran owadlule emhlabeni mhla zingama-23 kuNcwaba wangonyaka u-2021. uDeokaran wayezodalula izenzo zenkohlakalo emnyangweni wezempilo esifundazweni iGauteng.
Kukhunjulwa uBabita Deokaran owayedalula izenzo zenkohlakalo emnyangweni wezempilo esifundazweni iGauteng. Deokaran wadutshulwa ngenqwaba yenhlamvu wadlula emhlabeni mhla zingama-23 kuNcwaba ngo-2021.
What is happening at the moment is that the investigation is very complicated. And what I can say to the public is we have reached a stage where we can safely say we've never seen such kind of problems and ways of trying to hide things.
Ahmed Kathrada Foundation ithi kubhlungu ukuthi akaziwa namanje wakhokhela laba bayisithupha abakhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela.
I think the family are probably in a greater sense of grief than I am. I didn't know Babita other than the conversations via chat, WhatsApp. I think the fact that 6 people were found guilty, pleaded guilty, we don't know the terms of that plea agreement, which I think is something that we had concerns about. But as I said, we're not aware of who paid them. And until such time that those who paid them are apprehended, this matter will never be closed or should never be closed.
Ngenkathi ebulawa wayeveze insolo zemali engangegidi engama-950 zamarandi ezayikhokhelwe inkampani ezahlukene. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze-SABC.
Ziphindele emsebenzini namhlanje isebenzi zomkhandlu udolobha iGoli ngaphansi kwenyunyane SAMU ebeyitelekile izolo. Izolo bekuvalwe imigwaqo embalwa kuleli dolobha ngenxa lesisiteleka. iSAMU siqinisekisile ukuthi ingxoxo ziyaqhubeka phakathi kwayo nomqashi.
Started, this problem emanates from 1995 when progression was stopped by the city when it was Egoli 2000. So what then happened in 2018, a further opportunity for the city was there to correct workers' salary, because workers' salary's problem was that they were not progressing. Once you are employed, you are stuck at entry level up until you go in pension. At this moment, we decided to escalate the issue to provincial, because, you know, if the city wants to claim that they cannot meet their financial obligations, there are clauses that provincial can invoke to then address the financial challenge that the city is alleging that they are finding themselves in. Because we also don't think the city is suffering from any financial challenges as bad as they are claiming.
I don't believe at this point in time that our laws and our border controls are strong enough.
Ongoti kwezobugebengu sebezwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokusabalala kweyibhamu kanye nesibalo esiphezulu sezigameko zobugebengu obunodlame esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Asikubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli ngombusanda kungena udabano oluphambili besibike ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usevikele ukusetshenziswa kwezigidi zamarandi ngohlelo lwembizo kahulumeni njengoba lolu hlelo belihambele eTsakane ekuruleni namhlanje. Mbukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus, ngena kuzo uyigcina ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Umnyango wamaphoyisa esifundazweni Eastern Cape ususungule inombolo ezobhekana nezigameko zokuqolwa kwamabhizinisi nezakhamuzi eMthatha khona esifundazweni.
Kuzeliswa nokuqoqwediswa kwabantu kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni kuthande ukuxhaphaka kweminyaka emibini yadlulileyo. Inhlaninge yezenzo zokuqoqwediswa nokuxhatshazwa kwabantu kuba babhatalwe imali yokuzikhusela kwiindawo ezahlukeneyo kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni. Oku kunyanzelise urhulumente wephondo norhulumente kazwelonke ukuba angenelele.
Kukho abantu abayi-27 abaye ba-arrestwa abebanjelwa i-extortion cases. Aba bantu bayi-27 bonke bangaphakathi. Sisipolisa si-opposely bail salwa into bangafumani bail because sifilisha into xa bebuya belapha ngaphandle bazaphinda baqalele eqaleni.
Kungoku nje khutshwe inombolo ezakwazi ukuncedisa abantu baxele izenzo zokuphathwa gadalala nokuqoqwediswa ngongqevu.
Inamba leyo ethi 082 387 1561. Ndiyayiphinda 082 387 1561. Le number ke umuntu uzawukwazi usebenzisa uWhatsApp ngoba abantu abaninzi baku WhatsApp, abantu abaninzi bakwazi usebenzisa uthumelisa imessage, umuntu angathumela iVN, lonto umuntu akwazi ukuyithumelisa ezawukwazi basikwazi uqalela intweni xa kukhona into edibene neextortion athiye inkcukacha ezipheleleyo.
Kule iveki kulendeka ukuba kutyalwa amapolisa kwindawo zonke zommandla wase-OR Tambo nazo kwazi ukulwisana lo mkhwa. Dinkululeko Nyembezi wendaba ze-SABC eMthatha.
Umcwaningi weindaba zobugebengu uSolwazi Nemalakho Uphala uqagula ukuthi umthetho kanye nokulalwa kwemingcele yakulelizwe akuqinile ngokwenele, nakholelwa ukuthi ke ngokunye kwemthelelo yokwanda kwezibhamu okuyize isetshenziswa kakhulu izelelesi emacaleni afana nokubanjwa kwenkunzi kanye nokwanda kodlame lwamaqembu emgulukudu esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal.
Uzombuso Ngcobo ungomunye wabakhala kakhulu ngokwanda kwezibhamu emphakathini. Ngonyaka u-2008 walahlekelwa indodana yakhe yadutshulwa esihlakalweni sokubanjwa inkunzi mhla kugasela izelelesi emzini wakhe.
Kumina kwababhlungu ukuthi kofana nokuthi umthetho awuyidlalanga indima yawo kahle kahle ngoba igebengu zacina engabanjwanga kwagcina kungazwakalanga lutho, ngingasho njalo.
Umcwaningi ngezindaba zobugebengu eNyuvesi iUKZN ukholelwa ukuthi ziningi kakhulu izibhamu ezishushumbiswa zingena emingceleni yaseNingizimu Afrika.
I don't believe at this point in time that our laws and our border controls are strong enough to ensure that we start to that we're more vigilant, for example, in terms of how these illegal firearms actually enter our country.
Phakathi kokunye okuphenywa ngamaphoyisa njengamanje izenzo okukholakala ukuthi ziqhutshwa ngamanye amaphoyisa okunezinsolo zokuthi asebenzisana nezigebengu.
Besivele sibaphenye iningi lawo amaphoyisa sikwazi ukubabopha. Lokho sikuthola namhlanje ukuthi isiqiniseko ukuthi amaphoyisa ngempela abayingxenye lobugebengu okwenzakalayo. Sitholeke nezingubo zamaphoyisa khona la ngaphakathi endlini esisolayo ukuthi lezo ngubo bekade zikhishwa yilo leli phoyisa linikeza igebengu.
I-SABC kulindeleke ukuba imemezele ukwenza kangcono kwayo ngakwezemali uma seyethula umbiko wayo wonyaka ngaphambi kokuphela kwalenyanga ePhalamende. Iphindile kaNgqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uMondli Gungubele uthi ke yehlile kakhulu imali ebeyilahlekele umsakazelo womphakathi.
I-SABC bilokhu ibika ukulahlekelwa imali kuleminyaka edlule. Onyakeni wemali ka-2022 kuya ku-2023 umsakazelo womphakathi wabika ukuthi ulahlekelwe imali engaphezulu kwebhiliyoni lamarandi. Nokho kulonyaka kulindeleke ukuthi lesamba sehle. Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezokuxhumana uMondli Gungubele lithi SABC sitshengisa izimpawu zokuba nozinzo.
If we say SABC is on a healing trajectory, if we talk of a stabilization phase, it has stabilized. What do we mean by that? A lot of things have been stopped from moving in the negative direction. Others are already moving in the positive direction. For instance, from a disclaimer to unqualified is a huge jump. They have reduced the loss very drastically. They have improved their targets, and generally their findings have improved.
Usihlalo webhodi ugcizelele ukuthi umsakazelo womphakathi usebenze kanzima ukuguqula isimo sawo sezemali.
One can say with confidence that we have good news, both on the side of performance. Performance has significantly improved. We are not where we are supposed to be and where we would like to be, but we are happy with the progress that we have made. Also, in terms of the losses, we have significantly improved those losses, but a lot more still needs to be done.
uGungubele ulethulele isiqoko ibhodi elisha ngomsebenzi oncomekayo eselwenzile. Leli bhodi lafakwa ngo-2023 kulandela ukuthi umsakazo lomphakathi wawusale ungena bhodi izinyanga eziyisithupha.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile lithi uSolwazi uMusha Nkondo beyindoda esebenza ngokuyikhandla futhi eyinikelayo emsebenzini wayo. uMashatile kusho lokhu enkonzweni yomngcwabo walengcitha buchopho kaSolwazi uNkondo ebibanjelwe eFreedom Park Memorial Site ePitoli namhlanje.
Beshubisa umkantsha amakhaza ePitoli namhlanje kodwa iningi labantu lizidelile lazothi indlela enhle kulengcitha buchopho. Umndeni kaSolwazi uthi uyohlala njalo umkhumbula.
You were a man of incredible integrity. We watched you rub shoulders with royalty, presidents, and dollar billionaires. And we watched you treat the ordinary man in the street with the same respect.
Ezinye izingcithabuchopho zithi zigqemeke engeqiwantwala ngokwedlula emhlabeni kukaza kwabo uNkondo.
Professor Nkondo was every man whose marks and footprints can be found in different situations and conditions in society, yet unmistakable in its origins, in his character, is this every man.
Mengameli wezwe Paul Mashatile naye obethamelele inkonzo yomngcwabo uthi uyile umuthi omkhulu.
I grew up under the guidance of Braketis Nkondo, whom I fondly called Comcat, in short for Comrade Curtis, who served both our movement and the South African people with distinction in the Gauteng Provincial Legislature.
uNkondo ukufa kwamenela ngesonto eseneminyaka engamashumi ayisishiyagalombili nantathu edla anhlamvana.
Jose Riverio ocija iOrlando Pirates uthi izinga lebhola likanobhutshuzwayo kuleli lihle kakhulu ngakho ke amaqembu akulelizwe angakwazi ukuphosela inselelo amanye amaqembu emqhudelanweni yeCAF.
Ane amaqembu akulela bayingxenye emqhudelwaneni weCAF njalo ngesizini onqobe umqhudelwano wePSL nolalisibili baba ingxenye yeChampions League, abanqobe indebe yeNedbank kanye nabalali esithathu kuleague babe sebeqhudelana kuConfederation Cup. Kusenjalo Orlando Pirates yafinyelela kwamanqamu kweConfederation Cup ngo-2022. Umqeqeshi wayo uthi league yakuleli isezingeni elihle lokuthi ngakhiqiza amaqembu angenza kahle zonikazi.
My opportunity to watch games in this competition, not to play so much so far, but to watch those games. I don't think that our league is far from the other top leagues.
Umqeqeshi wamabhakabhaka uthi ufuna ukubona abadlali bakhe abaningi bedlalela iqembu lesizwe.
There's a lot of things that can happen in this competition, but it's always difficult to deal with unexpected situations. In the end, our job as a coaches, as a technical staff, is try to reduce the uncertainty for the players.
Abadlali bakholelwe ekutheni bayilungele isizini.
I think we had a solid preseason. We played against top teams. Matches were really intense, to prepare us for such moments early on in the season.
Ezimnyama ngenkani izogadulisana neDisciples FC yaseMadagascar emidlalweni wemlenze wesibili khona manje nje magamanxe ihora lesikhombisa. Lamaqembu amabili abambana ngeqanda emlenzeni oqala ngesonto ledlule.
Obambe njengosihlalo wenhlangano iComrades Marathon uJeff Minnaar uqinisekise umphakathi ukuthi uzobanjwa lo mjaho na kanjani ngonyaka ozayo. Lokhu kuzemva ukuthi kube nokungabaza ngokubanjwa kwalo mjaho omva kokusula esikhundleni kwamalungu amane ebhodi lalenhlangano okubalwa kuona usihlalo kanye nephini lakhe.
Inhlangano yengameli iComrades Marathon iphazamiseke kakhulu ngemuva kokwesula kwamalungu ebhodi amane izolo. Estatimendeni esikhishwe yile nhlangano ithi kwesula usihlalo umqondisi Ngcobo, iphini lakhe Leslie Bernard, uCowan Basson kanye noPhumlani Ntuli. Ukwesula kwalamalungu ebhodi ngesikhathi esisodwa kususa imibuzo komjaho wangonyaka ozayo.
We are fighting to maintain the comrades. There are rumors going around which I can't delve into because some of it is sub judice at the moment. But the race will run.
In the
best interest of comrades, when you are under extreme pressure as they have been, they felt that it wouldn't be a healthy situation for them to remain with all the trauma, which obviously gets carried back to your families. And out of respect for their families, they opted to resign.
Nebhodi asulile azoqhubeka kuba amalungu ajwayelekile alenhlangano.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbogeli, usale kahle.